on the basketball front, don't look now, but the South Garland Colonels are 22-3 this season, and they're undefeated in district play. Coach Dominique Parker has his team ready to roll behind junior guard Tyrese Maxey. Maxey has drawn interest from a lot of the big-time schools, Kentucky and Michigan State to name a few. He's the third-ranked point guard in the entire country in his class. With only one senior on the roster, they are going to make some noise.
We've been playing well. We have a lot of chemistry on and off the court. We come out with the fire that we need to come out with, and it just leads us to victory every time.
Our goal every game is to see if teams can run with us. So, we play a fast-paced basketball game.
Split second.
We have one goal in mind. It's just state. It's really state of bust. No more victories.
Trying to make it a state. We have to keep the mindset that defense is going to get us there.
I think this team, we have enough to win it all.
There's no second round, third round regionals. No, we're not shooting for any of that. We're shooting for the highest. Sky's the limit.
Don't sell yourself short. South Garland is tough.